Unity. 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 Noun. Definition: the state of being united or joined as a whole. Example: European unity. Noun. Definition: the number 1. Example: the slope of each dotted line is less than unity. Noun. Definition: in Aristotle's Poetics, each of the 3 dramatic principles requiring limitation of the supposed time of a drama to that occupied in acting it or to a single day, unity of time, use of one scene throughout, unity of place, and concentration on the development of a single plot, unity of action. Example: nevertheless, the plays are far removed from the classical pattern. They rarely present a unity of action, time and place.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.